the mini golf course that you can basically do at home. You don't need to go anywhere, and it's pretty good. Stay to the end of the video. I'll show you how to set up your own voice control and light and music. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up your own smart home cinema room. So please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next video. So this is how you work this mini golf course. So basically you have 3 balls you can hold, and then you need something like this. Then I don't know what this is for. Then you just roll the ball and it goes down. So it's basically an automatic system. So every time you hit it, it goes either in the hole and goes in, or over here, or it just goes out. And I shall be showing you the command that I use to, get music, lights, and everything. I'm playing golf.
Noted. I enabled lights to different color. You can change light color in music anytime. I will turn off light myself after you leave the golf course.
And there should be music coming in. And by the way, guys, I do not know how to play golf. So I'm just going something around. Even if you get a golf, sometimes you get a little bit jammed. But it's pretty good. See, when I get it in, it kind of doesn't move, so you might need to go up and up a little bit. And it goes rolling down that hill. Even though it has enough feel, you can just tap it and it'll go faster. This is big hole.
All my troubles coming up, and when I'm in your eyes, electrified, we'll keep turning up and go all night. We had dips and falls in our time, but we know what it is to be moving up, alone in love, and all we need is to go all night.
Also part of this, smart home golf course, you need Alexa right here. So there are these different types of Alexa models, and they're all very unique. We have at least one of each, and we have this one here. It's a small kind of iPad kind of thing, but it's nice. It can't be taken out or anything. Then you got those OGs, those little circle ones. You got big screen ones that you can turn, and there's a lot more in the universe of Alexas. I'll be showing you how smart our golf course is. Change hallway 1 to red.
Okay.
Well, this one's still green, I don't know why, but this is red. Nice. So this is hallway number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While I'm playing golf, I can also ask the Alexa to play music, tell me traffic, weather, questions, jokes, basically anything you could ever think of. Well, not anything, but majority. Play some music.
Here's a station you might like. Top Pop on Amazon Music, playing on Sonos.
Back to my long journey to try to be good at golf. Go my ball.
Enable disco light mode while playing music.
Spend the evening pretending it wasn't that deep. You could see in my eyes that it was taking over. I guess I was just blind and caught up in the moment. You know you take all of my stress right down. Help me get it off my chest and out into the ether with the rest of this mess that just keeps us depressed. We forget that we're here right now, cause we're living life at a different pace. Stuck in a constant race, keep the pressure on, you're bound to break. Something's got to change, we should just be cancelling all our plans and not give a damn if we're missing out on what the people
Lights
think
are
is right. See you do a
synchronized
picture
with
behind the
music.
screen and forget to be, lose the conversation for the message.
Detail software setting at the end of this video. Learn golf by smart device.
This is more a path issue more than anything. Yeah. We haven't really got to change the face position. We're just going to focus on swing path. So, in terms of a drill to do or something that you can practice, what can we give them to work?
Do you know what? I mean, we see this every time we turn the TV on and watch the best.
Sensor to trigger smart themes.
This sensor is a sensor, obviously, and it looks like this. You can buy it in the description down below. So when I finish playing, this automatically turns everything off. And if it senses someone, it'll turn everything back on, like all the lights back on, even our dining room light, everything. If this one, the sensor runs out of battery, we got another one up there, which also triggers Alexa command, and yeah, and the lights.
Morning. Currently, in Sydney it's 16 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Today, you can expect lots of sun, with a high of 23 degrees and a low of 12 degrees. There's a moderate risk from UV exposure, with a maximum index of 3.
So this here is the box that comes with, have a look, the the mini golf course. So it's pretty small in the picture, but it's actually really nice. Oh, I found what this thing is for. Hold on. Well, let's try this out. Stick. It works. Okay, double hold. These are the double hold thick return. See, goes in, yeah. Storage 3 balls. You need at least 2 or 3. Position for logo? Huh? You can customize it? Oh. I'm so confused. Oh, that thing. What is this for? Oh, no. Oh, no clue. Double color grass. Yes, more realistic, not realistic. 2 size length, 250 centimeters and 300 centimeters, width 30 centimeters. So we learned quite a lot about this today. I didn't know this. And then it's called, we got Golf Green, Porter Trainer, National Golf Experience, the Golf Exercise. Enjoy the green life. Yeah, I'll show you I'm green. This green life, totally. And then this is what comes to look like. This bit is just the whole thing. The balls. I got balls. You can have a look. And yeah. So now I shall be showing you guys how to set it up. Guys, you see I broke it into bits. We got this thing you got by yourself, and the balls you got also by yourself. These are okay. And then we got the 2 trails. They're actually more bits, but you can just snap it like that. Then we got here, we got 3 bits here, and you can just snap it. Okay. So we first always start with this shorter bit right here. Then if you come over here, and you see this bit here, you gotta lift that up, just like that, and then you hold it, grab your other hand, pull a little bit down, and you gotta kind of stick it in. Very intense. First time doing this actually. There. Not easy as ever. Okay. Then we can do here. Same process. And so on until you have it all. Remember guys, this tone, it's like this tone is always at the end. Just keep that in mind. Then over here we have the fake grass, and then you just gotta hold the end I'm going all smooth. There we go. All smooth on this. Then I'm going to make sure this is aligned right here. And voila! Simple as ever. Then you've got your balls. You can put them here. And then you've got your whacking thing. And just put it in here. Then you can just play whenever you want. And it's also very easily pack away. If you're going to pack away, just scrunch this up and take this and put it in a different room.
How to wall mount Alexa. Step 1. Mark the location on UI level. Step 2. Electrician to cut the hole. Run the cables and place wall mount. Step 3. Run power over Ethernet cable to server rack. TP-Link switch to provide power to smart device. How to set up smart lights. By Phillips Hue RGB downlight or compatible lights. Zigbee is better than Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I will do another video to show you why and detail comparison. How to use sensors to automate the lights. I use Starlink sensor on the door and Philips Hue sensor on table. Software setting. Enable disco light mode while playing music. Open the Hue Disco mobile app. Connect to Philips Hub gateway. Press Philips Hue bridge to accept connection. Allow microphone access to sync light with the music. Choose the 2 hallway lights above the golf area. Press play button to start.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Step 1. Open Alexa app and choose routine. Step 2. Create new routine name. I am playing golf. Step 3. Add Philips Hue Color Smart Downlighting and choose color and brightness. Step 4. Alexa can say what you set in the text here. Step 5. Set to play latest pop music for about 4 分钟 use. Step 6. Choose correct speaker near the golf. Touch screen light switch. Grandpa always turn off light switch to disable my smart downlight, so I installed smart light switch.
Noted. I enabled lights to different color. You can change light color in music anytime. I will turn off light myself after you leave the golf course.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay
Control 6. Light switches by creating a golf time theme. Cost breakdown by hardware, software and installation fee. Total cost $2,667 Australia dollar, including $1,167 for hardware. Software cost and $1,500 installation fee.
Guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you want the cost and supplier spreadsheet, please contact